how to connect Squarespace domain to Google Sites. So first things first, the thing that you need to have, of course, is your Squarespace domain. But assuming that you already have it, and then you have your Google Sites over here, what you're going to do next is you're going to simply click on your publish options over here on the top right. And you're simply going to select publish settings. Over here, you should be able to see your current domain and your subdomain over here. And to be able to connect your domain, which is coming from Squarespace, you're simply going to click on custom domain over here. So simply click on manage your domain, click on start setup, and then simply enter the domain that you have from Squarespace. Now, there are several steps after this, so let me simply put here a random one for now. Shop. Over here, when you enter your domain over here, you're going to click on verify your ownership. So it's basically going to look up your domain over here, and you're going to click on enter, and there will be some verification that you would need to do to ensure that your domain is yours. So over here, it identified that it is from GoDaddy, but for you guys, it should be able to identify that it is from Squarespace, and you can click on start verification, and you should be able to proceed to the next step, which is just adding some name servers. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.